This is the third question from TOC in this series of GATE CSETYQ. And this question says that consider the set of strings on 0, 1 in which every substring of three symbols had at most two zeros. So if we encounter a substring of length 3, we must have at most two zeros in that substring. Suppose this is our example. So in this example, if we see first three symbols, we have two zeros. If we see next three symbols, we have one zeros. If we again see next three symbols, we have three ones, which is also valid because we have zero number of zeros here. If we see next three symbols, we have one zero, which is valid. This is also valid string. If we see this string, so in this string, if we encounter first three symbols, we have two zeros, which is valid. But if we encounter next three symbols, so these are three zeros, which is invalid because we want to have at most two zeros. Okay, so this string is not acceptable. Also, it is given that all string of length less than 3 are in this language. So it is the language is accepting epsilon, string of length 1, string of length 2 also. Okay, and a partially completed DFA is given. So this is the DFA which is partially completed, and we need to find these missing arcs in this DFA. So first of all, let us see how to solve this type of question. So in this type of question, you don't need to draw whole DFA again and then compare each option and then mark the correct one. This will take a whole lot of time. So what we need to do, we will use option elimination method. Before diving into solution, let's understand the DFA first. So in this DFA, on seeing epsilon or on seeing nothing, we come at initial state. By seeing 0, we go to state 0. And why it is named as a state 0? Because we are seeing input symbol 0 to reach this state. Again, on seeing symbol 0, we go to state 0, 0. Why it is named as 0, 0, 0? Because we are seeing input symbol 0 and 0 to reach this state. Okay. Again, if we see 0, 1, so we are seeing input symbol 0 and 1 to reach this state. If we talk about 1, 0, so we are seeing input symbol 1 and 0 to reach this state. If we talk about state 1, so we are seeing input symbol 1 to reach this state. And if we talk about state 1, 1, so we are seeing input symbol 1 and 1 to reach this state. Okay. So consider if a string, we are checking for this string 0, 1, 1, 0. So while we complete traversing this string, we must end up at state 1, 0 because last two symbols are 1 zeros. Okay. So that's how naming is done, right? So now let us move on to our first option number A, and check whether it is right or wrong. So in option number A, this is the present state in this table. This is the present state, and this is the next state we are going. Okay. So currently we are on state 0, 0. How do we reach 0, 0? By seeing two zeros continuously and then seeing 1. On seeing 1, we must go to state 0, 1, right? That's how naming is done. But we are going to state 0, 0. This is wrong. Okay, come to option number B. Currently we are at state 0, 0. By seeing 0, we go to state 0, 1. This is wrong because by seeing 0, we must go to dead state. Why dead state? Which is represented as Q. So why we are going to dead state or trap state? Because this is a string of length 3, and for string or substring of length 3, we must have at most two zeros, but here are three zeros, right? So now see option number C. So in option number C, first by seeing zeros, like currently we are at 0, 0. By seeing 1, 1, we reach that state 0, 1, which is valid. By seeing currently we are at 0, 0. By seeing 0, we reach that state dead state, which is also valid. And now come to state 0, 1. So currently we are at state 0, 1. By seeing 1, we go to state 0, 1 according to this diagram. But according to our naming convention, we must go to state 1, 1. So this is also wrong. So eventually we are left with option number D, and option number D is the correct option. We can verify this as currently we are at 0, 0. On seeing 1, we are going to 0, 1. This is valid. Currently we are at 0, 0. On seeing 0, we are going to dead state. This is also valid. Currently we are at 0, 1. On seeing 1, we are going to 1, 1, which is also valid. Currently we are at 1, 0. On seeing 0, we go to 0, 0, which is also valid. Currently we are at 1, 1. On seeing 0, we go to state 1, 0, which is also valid. So option number D is correct.